Okay, today I am working in Photoshop with a transparent PNG image that I've created in Illustrator. I'm going to open it in Photoshop and cross my fingers that this works the way it's supposed to this time. The first thing I need to do is, great, I opened up my image, but I need a canvas that's twice the size of the one that I have now. And I realize, yeah, we're working in Photoshop for the first time. So what I'm going to do is go to Image menu first, go to Canvas Size, and change the anchor for the canvas is right smack in the middle of my canvas. I'm going to move it to the upper left, change my measurement here from pixels to percent, and change the width and height to 200% and click OK. It's going to give me a canvas that's twice as big as the one I have now. Okay, so there we go. You can't see the whole thing. I'm going to reduce out a bit so you can see the whole thing as I work on it. So what I want to do is I want to duplicate this image. My favorite way to duplicate anything is make sure that I'm in Move Tool, hold down Option key, and just click and drag. And I know they're all going to look the same the first time I do them. That doesn't look like I lined it up. Okay, that looks better. Every time I do that, I'm just going to Option click and drag to create another one until I have, it's going to give me 4 different layers. I think that's okay. I'll find out in a second if it's not. Layer 0, copy, copy 2, whatever. I can change the names of those by double clicking in each layer, so I'm just going to call them 1, 2, 3, and 4, because those are as good a names as any. And I'm going to start in my layer 2 and go to Edit menu, Transform, and flip horizontal. Okay. Okay, I just hit the left arrow key to nudge it over so there was no gap in the middle there. I'm probably going to have to do that with some of the other ones too. So I'm doing the same thing down here in number 3. Going to Edit menu, Transform. I want to flip this a number of ways. I want to flip vertical. Okay, and this one I'm going to have to like flip vertical and flip horizontal. It's going to be a pain in the butt. So I got to go into each layer to do that. So I'm in layer 4 right now, and I'm going to transform to flip horizontal first. Totally not. Flip vertical, then flip horizontal. Okay, and use my arrow keys to nudge slightly to the left and slightly up. If something really looks like, wow, why is that like that? If something really looks off, sometimes I will do Command T and just kind of manually readjust. Nobody's going to notice. If I'm happy with that, if I've done Command T to free transform something, I'll hit the check box up at the top, otherwise I can't move it. And there we go. It's a mirror repeat, flipped both horizontal and vertical.